language. So the fog light is blue and white. The blue seems to be negative, and the white is the positive. Now here is a mirage of all things. The green is the Earth, and seems like the red is the Earth, or is it? That brown seems to be like the Earth, so the red must be, no, yes, no, what? This is all Earth the other side, is it? Oh, might be, okay. What? No, the Earth is white. So that's the indicator. Right, so yellow is the indicator, green is indicator on the right hand side, yellow is the indicator on the left hand side as you look at it from the back, and then you've got red, which is like red and red, right, and then white is the Earth. So we have lots of wires here. This to this, but this is too big. This is not the actual pump you're supposed to use, I don't know, but here's one I bought 18 years ago, feels like it. And then of course magically it's all done. Battery went on the phone. So basically that's what I did, just reconnect it and put this back together again. And now with a new pump, which wasn't the actual Thetford one you're supposed to use, but with a new pump, it goes like the clappers. Look. Oh bless. It's sort of come down a bit, but it's almost empty, and I can take the whole lot down then. Hello? Do you speak English? Okay. Are you real? Or are you just standing there for the hell of it? Okay.